Tico, a small fox with a fluffy tail, wanders through Sunnywood Forest, his dejection evident in his slumped posture. He pauses, wrinkling his nose at colorful flowers, his attempt to sniffle ending in a frustrated silence. Other animals flaunt their sneezing prowess, scattering dust and pollen with triumphant sneezes. Tico watches, his frustration growing as he fails to mimic their effortless displays. His tail drags on the ground, a visible sign of his growing despair amidst the vibrant forest. "Why can't I sneeze like everyone else?" Tico asks, his voice barely a whisper in the sunny woods. Sunlight dapples the forest clearing, alive with the whirring wings and rustling leaves of the Great Wind Parade. Owls summon miniature whirlwinds, squirrels spin leaf tornadoes, and rabbits create breezy hops across the green. Tico watches, his small form a mix of awe and longing as the wind swirls around him. A single feather drifts gently, a silent messenger landing softly on Tico's nose. Tico's voice, tinged with sorrow, breaks the festive air. "How can I make wind if I can't even sneeze?" In a forest clearing, Tico's eyes widen, a feather tickling his nose, whiskers twitching with anticipation. Tico tenses, a massive sneeze building. "Achoo!" echoes through the trees. A sparkly wind blast erupts from Tico's sneeze, a burst of pure, joyful energy. Parade flags flutter wildly, leaves swirl in a vibrant dance, celebrating the unexpected gust. The forest animals erupt in cheers, their voices filled with glee and amazement. "Tico, you made the biggest wind of all," the animals shout, their joy echoing through the forest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.